Hello dear friends, in this video we dive into Google Cloud Storage, its importance for the GCP Go Live project. Google Cloud Storage provides a reliable, secure and cost-effective solution for storing and managing your data in the cloud. Whether you are building web application, analyzing big data or storing backup or archives, it allows you to store and retrieve data in a secure and cost-effective manner. Google Cloud Storage is designed to handle large amount of unstructured data such as images, videos, logs, backup and user-generated content. Basically, Google Cloud Storage is a service for storing your objects in Google Cloud. It operates three main services for different types of storage like persistent disk for block storage, file store for network file storage, cloud storage for object storage. These services are the fundamental building blocks for the majority of the Google Cloud services. Google Cloud Storage provides high availability for accessing your data with a service level agreement in a certain level of uptime. This ensures that your data is accessible when you need it with minimal downtime or disruption. Google Cloud Storage offers robust security features to protect your data, including encryption at rest, in transit, access control, identity and access management and audit logging. You can control who has access to your data and enforce granular permissions to help ensure the confidentiality and integrity of your data. GCP offers the different storage classes that can be used for various purposes such as standard storage for frequently accessed data, nearline storage for less frequently accessed data, cold line storage for infrequent access data, and archival storage for long retention for rarely accessed data. Let's discuss one by one so that you can easily understand it. First, discuss about standard storage class in GCP. It is the default storage class and is designed to provide high performance, low latency access to data. Standard storage offers the fast and responsive access to data, making it suitable for applications and workload that require frequent data access. Standard storage provides high availability, ensuring that data is accessible whenever you need it. It is designed to offer a reliable and consistent performance for a wide range of use cases. Standard storage class in GCP is well suited for applications and workload that require fast and responsive access to data, making it popular choice for wide range of use cases across the industries and sector. Second, discuss about Nearline Storage class in GCP. It is a storage class within Google Cloud Storage designed for data that is accessed less frequently, typically once a month or less. Nearline Storage offers lower storage cost compared to standard storage class, making it cost-effective option for storing data that is accessed infrequently. Nearline storage is suitable for data that needs to be retained for longer period but may only access occasionally. It is ideal for storing backup data, archival data, historical logs, and other types of data that are not frequently accessed but need to be retained for compliances or business reasons. Nearline storage is often used for storing data that is not actively used in production but may need to access for analysis, reporting, or disaster recovery purposes. It is also commonly used for storing large volume of data that are retained for regulatory compliance or long-term archival purposes. Let's discuss about the cold line storage class in GCP. It is a storage class within the Google Cloud Storage designed for data that is accessed very infrequently, typically once a year or less. Cold line storage offers the lowest storage cost among the storage classes in Google Cloud Storage. It is an economical option for storing data that is rarely accessed but need to be retained for long-term archival purposes. While cold-line storage provides low storage cost, it has higher access cost compared to both the standard and nearline storage classes. Accessing data stored in cold line storage may take longer due to its infrequent access pattern, with typical access time ranging from seconds to minutes. Cold line storage is suitable for data that needs to be retained for extended period but rarely accessed. It is ideal for storing backup archives, regulatory compliance data, historical records, and other types of data that need to be preserved for long-term retention. Lastly, we'll discuss about archive storage class in GCP. It is a storage class within the Google Cloud Storage designed for data that is accessed extremely infrequently, typically once a year or less. It offers the lowest storage cost among the storage classes in Google Cloud Storage and it's optimized for long-term data retention and archival. While archive storage provides the lowest storage cost, it has the highest access cost among the storage classes. Accessing data stored in archive storage may take longer compared to other storage classes with typical access time ranging from minutes to hours. Archive storage is suitable for data that needs to be retained for extended periods but is rarely accessed. It is ideal for storing historical records, regulatory compliance data, legal documents, and other types of data that needs to be preserved for long-term retention. Now I hope so you can understand it. I'll show you in our upcoming GCP lab so that you can easily understand it. Thank you and have a great day. If you are into tech and want to stay ahead of the game, then you have got to subscribe and like to the Sairaj Tech Cloud YouTube channel. Don't miss out on the latest tech trends and tips. Hit that subscribe button now and join the tech community at Sairaj Tech Cloud.